ASPxGridView can be easily populated with data by binding to any standard data source type, including SQL data source, object data source, XML data source, access data source, and sitemap data source. In this video, you'll see how to bind the ASPxGridView to an ArrayList object. So let's get started. Start by dropping an ASPxGridView onto a blank page. Let's switch to the code behind, so we can add the code that will create an ArrayList and bind the grid to it. First, let's add a new method called createData, which will declare and create a new ArrayList called DS. DS currently contains 5 entries in array. Let's increase that to 15 so that we can see paging in action. The ASPxGridView will only show the pager if there are more than 10 entries. Don't forget to add a reference to the system.collections assembly. Now we can add the code to the pageLoad method that will bind the grid to the ArrayList. Set the grid's data source to the createData method. Then add a call to the dataBind method. Let's also set the name of the column to product. And we're done. So let's run the application and see how it works. As you can see, the grid is bound to our custom ArrayList. Paging and sorting are also fully supported. To learn more, check out the ASPxGridView documentation by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.